It's Bonnie. Happy Wednesday! I am back. Oh my gosh, it's beautiful outside. The sun is shining. I don't know why I'm wearing a tank top today. Honestly, I just happened to throw this on. I feel like the weather, it's a little bit warm and a little bit cool, but it's a perfect day for sweet cinnamon pumpkin. This is an old one. We're going to talk about sweet cinnamon pumpkin. And there's also a men's shop sale going on today. $5.95 on the men's care, which is a really good deal, especially because the prices have gone so much higher in 2023. I mean, $15.95 for the shower gel. And then, like the hair gel, the vitamin B5 hair clay. I actually want to try that. This is the Manhattan Nightcap in the deodorant. I like this. I have been using this. This smells amazing. So if you're looking for men's care, today's the day to get it. It's funny because they don't often do the men's care sales as much. And I just feel like this is a really good stock up sale. The only thing I wouldn't get today is the bar soap. The bar soap you can get lower, but the body spray, the body cream, any of the men's care products, I would definitely consider stocking up on. So we're going to talk about sweet cinnamon pumpkin, online exclusive this year. Gosh, look at this one. This is a really old sweet cinnamon pumpkin. I liked this collection. This is when we had toasted pear and praline. I was trying to figure out if it smells exactly the same. I think it does. I've been comparing these two all morning. So I wore sweet cinnamon pumpkin today, and I really do think that they've kept the scent pretty much the same as they did from years ago. A lot of people can't tolerate this one. It is heirloom pumpkin, autumn cinnamon, ginger snap, and whipped vanilla. And it is a strong one. You really, really have to like cinnamon and those really heavy fall spices in order to like this one. The white pumpkin and chai, which I got right here, a lot of people preferred white pumpkin and chai, which was the cinnamon, cider, spiced pumpkin, and vanilla glaze. They did not bring this one back. This is a little bit toned down, and it's got a little bit of a different scent. Oh, this is, I think I broke this one. I don't know. I really like, I don't know why my sprayer isn't working very well. This is a much creamier scent, and it's not as harsh as sweet cinnamon pumpkin. So I'm not sure why we did not get white pumpkin and chai back. I know a lot of people love that one. Maybe later. I don't know. Sometimes stuff comes back as an online exclusive. I also got it in the shower gel, which, by the way, is in the shower. I used it last night. I didn't even pull it out. It smells really good in the shower, I gotta say. Some people only like it in the shower. This is what the cream looks like. I can't decide if I love the packaging this year. It's so literal, and it's hard to read, like the gold. I think I've liked the packaging a little bit better. Like, this to me is just so pretty. I love this. I wish they'd go back to something like that. The cream is good. I mean, I'll use this, after I get out of the shower on my legs and stuff. And it does hold the scent. However, it is a little on the cinnamon side, so unless you really love cinnamon, as like you're going to sleep, you might be a little bit like, I don't know about this. It all depends on how much you love cinnamon, if you want sweet cinnamon pumpkin. So online exclusive is tough because if you've never tried it before, just know that it's very strong. It's got a lot of cinnamon in it. So if you like that, try it online. We're also having the soap sale again today. All hand soaps are $3.95. Is this a good deal? It's not a terrible deal. It's not the best deal, though. Soap has been lower. If you have that 25% off coupon and you're shopping for men's and you're shopping for soap, it's going to be a really good deal, especially on the men's care. So let me get my calculator out here. You don't have to have a code today for the men's, minus 25%. $4.46. That's a good deal for the men's care. It's funny because I'm talking a lot about like overstocking, but I feel like we haven't really had too many sales with the men's. So if you're, looking to get some men's stuff today, yeah, and especially if you've got that coupon, I would say go for it. I feel like my hair is doing something funny today. I had it up in a ponytail earlier. It's funny, now that my hair is getting long again, usually during the day, I'll just like pop it into a ponytail, which I kind of like. I like wearing my ponytail, but then sometimes when I take it down to do a video, it looks a little like I got a bouffant. I feel like that Seinfeld episode, when the lady's like, "Oh, she's got 80s hair." I feel like my hair is a little bit too 80s today. See, when I take it down, I get like the little 80s look going on. But I'm happy that my hair is growing again for fall. Anyway, now I'm talking about hair. So men's care sale today, Sweet Cinnamon Pumpkin online exclusive, and the soap sale. By the way, I've probably gone through 5 Vampire Bloods already. Yeah, I'm loving the Vampire Blood. Anyway, I will see you guys later. I hope everyone's having a good day. Bye-bye.